Wait, I just got an urgent emoji update from my cat.
Oh, great. Another emergency about his virtual scratching post?
No, he learned how to judge my cooking through the screen.
Wonderful. Now even the cat is a Michelin critic.
Oops! My online shopping cart is about to self-destruct!
Your wallet is the only thing actually crying here.
Hey, you were checking your basketball scores 3 seconds ago!
That was strictly tactical research for our dinner conversation.
Fine, let us pretend humans are more interesting than pixels.
Deal. Now pass the soup before my phone misses me.
Excuse me, I think this stranger is wearing my jacket.
At least someone is keeping you warm this morning.
That backpack behind us qualifies as a separate apartment.
It probably has a kitchen and a swimming pool inside. Whoa! My coffee just traveled into the future! Gravity is definitely not our friend today.
Remember, looking at anyone means instant eye contact jail.
I am staring so hard at this advertisement I can read paint dry.
Quick, our stop is here before we turn into statues!
Run for freedom, I mean, stand gracefully.
This exact toast has defined my entire adult existence.
You mean it is just burnt bread on a Tuesday?
Do not speak ill of the sacred morning bean juice.
Forgive me, I forgot we worship the mug here.
Wait! I buttered this slice counterclockwise today.
Total system collapse. The universe is ending!
At least we know tomorrow will taste identical.
True excitement is guessing which side the butter falls on.
Tomorrow we eat cereal with a fork for chaos!
Now that is a dangerous culinary adventure.
Whispering here is impossible when everyone's desks surround us.
True, even my lunch break thoughts are broadcasted live.
Look! 3 people just nodded at our private joke.
Fantastic! Our fan club is expanding by the minute.
Oh no! The water bottle is completely empty again!
A crisis worse than Monday morning meetings.
Whoever finished it owes everyone a coffee run.
I will gracefully vanish behind my monitor now.
Fine, let us pretend we are working hard instead.
Back to professional typing noises it is.
Quick, pretend we cannot see Mr. Henderson approaching.
Too late. He already spotted our tactical retreat.
He is about to analyze yesterday's cloud shapes again.
Grab your emergency calendar. This will take hours.
Oh, look! My invisible oven is burning dinner right now!
Save the imaginary casserole at all costs.
Smile, wave, and slowly back away into the shadows.
Mastering the diplomatic retreat is an elite life skill.
Mission accomplished. We survived another social encounter.
Until tomorrow's weather update report begins.
Brewing loose leaf tea connects my soul with ancient traditions.
My soul prefers caffeine delivered in 3 loud seconds.
Your machine sounds like a jet engine trying to take off.
That is the sound of pure, unadulterated morning productivity.
You miss the poetry of watching delicate leaves unfurl.
I watch my wallet cry every time I pop a pod.
At least my tea leaves do not require an engineering degree to clean.
True, recycling pods makes me feel like a certified scientist.
Fine! Zen tea for patience and loud espresso for survival!
Deal! Now let us survive this Monday morning together.
Brewing loose-leaf tea connects my soul with ancient traditions.
My soul prefers caffeine delivered in 3 loud seconds.
Your machine sounds like a jet engine trying to take off!
That is the sound of pure, unadulterated morning productivity.
You miss the poetry of watching delicate leaves unfurl.
I watch my wallet cry every time I pop a pod.
At least my tea leaves do not require an engineering degree to clean.
True, recycling pods makes me feel like a certified scientist.
Fine! Zen tea for patience and loud espresso for survival!
Deal! Now let us survive this Monday morning together.
I found a science experiment hiding behind the milk.
That is not science. That was last month's lasagna.
Someone crossed the invisible shelf territory border again!
My yogurt had a diplomatic immunity sticker on it.
And who drank my special organic apple juice?
The refrigerator ghosts must have framed me instantly.
Next time I am writing my name in permanent glitter.
Good luck. Glitter only makes snacks taste more fabulous.
Fine. Let us close the vault before it mutates.
Agreed! Until the midnight snack raid begins.
We have walked this exact street 1,000 times.
And yet every single bush looks entirely suspicious.
Look, I swear that garden gnome moved 3 inches left!
He is definitely plotting his neighborhood escape plan.
Wait! Do you smell invisible fresh bakery cookies?
A cruel psychological trap for our evening diet.
Even the stray cats are judging our walking speed.
We are definitely the slowest patrol team on record.
Fine. Let us finish our adventure back home.
Lead the way before the gnome chases us!
Choosing this table requires maximum strategic calculation.
It is just a wooden chair, not a rocket launch control.
That chair sits right on top of a squeaky floorboard trap!
Great! Our stealth score just dropped to 0.
Oh no! The head librarian is giving us the legendary stare!
Quick! Pretend to read this heavy dictionary upside down.
Your textbook looks smart enough to defend us.
It is actually just a cookbook disguised as wisdom.
Fine. Let us sit down before we break any more rules.
Mission accomplished. Now let us whisper quietly.
This warm laundry feels better than a luxury spa day.
Until you realize half of it shrank 3 sizes.
And the dryer monster ate its matching partner again!
It is currently building a secret fortress in another dimension.
Oh no! The tower of shirts is about to collapse!
Emergency structural failure! Brace for impact!
Look, I actually folded 1 shirt like a professional.
And the rest are hiding inside the drawer as a crumpled ball.
Fine. Folding can wait while we enjoy the warmth.
Best strategy ever! Couch time activated.
We just passed this exact person 5 minutes ago!
And yet we are forced to invent an entirely new greeting.
My face is completely stuck in this polite robotic smile.
Just nod slowly like a bobblehead doll on autopilot.
Oh no! They raised their hand for a second wave!
Emergency social protocol failure! Look at the carpet!
Quick, say something brilliant about the hallway lighting.
I would rather negotiate with a pack of wild raccoons.